Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize the EQ of TOZO OpenEgo. So if you want to change the EQ a little bit, what you need to do is download the TOZO app on your device. So if you are connected to your smartphone, then you need to download the app, and you can find it, for instance, in the Play Store or the Apple Store or something similar to that. Once you install the app, you will need to, of course, create an account and add your device, which is fairly simple. All you need to do is simply follow the instructions. Now, once you have the device added on your app, then you need to simply connect, make sure that the earbuds are connected. And once you are there, over here you can see the EQ that is currently selected. And of course we can customize that by going to more sound effects. And now we can start by, for instance, choosing the EQ preset. So we have several different presets that we can start with. So let's say I'm gonna choose rack, and as you can see, we have set a different EQ. Now that is not all, because we can customize the preset as well. So we can drag and drop these notes in order to make it sound just exactly as we wish it to be. And of course, if you want to reset everything, you can go back to standard. If you want to, you can start with standard and just adjust the EQ from there. And if you want to reset once again, then just tap standard or choose any other preset. If you want to save your preset, then you can do that by tapping this icon over here. You can set the name for the preset. I'm just gonna call it preset, and there we go. And we have our own preset. If you want to remove it, then we have this trash icon, and then we can confirm that we want to remove the EQ. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!